Today we are going over the thoracic spine mobility and progression. So thoracic spine is that area that's located between your neck and your lower back. So often the original cause for your lower back and neck discomfort is coming from that area because it's so stiff. For example, if we're doing an overhead reach and you notice your mid back is very stiff, you'll notice that your lower back will compensate and do the rest of the arch just to get your arms above your head in that position. So that compensation, we don't want it to happen because it will create problems in your lower back, also in the rest of your kinetic chain. So let's go over some of the helpful exercises that's gonna help us increase our mobility in that area. So first we're gonna start with the thoracic spine foam rolling. So first, when we do this for 30 seconds approximately, hold on the tender area, and we can go all the way up to the top. All the way. I'll progress by lifting your butt a little bit up for 30 seconds. Now we're about to foam roll our pecs, but we gotta make sure that we position the foam roll at 45-degree angle with our midsection of the body. So what we need to do is basically put it in that position, and then you put your shoulder against it in that position, okay? And then with your other hand, it's like you put it at a push-up position, and you start putting it against it. Same thing, approximately for 30 seconds, and you'll feel that pressure. So now we can foam roll our lats laterally. So go in that position, and you can just go up and push with your leg upward all the way down, feeling it. Here we go, right here, and you can hold also for 30 seconds. So after we finish foam rolling, we can start stretching. I'm gonna start with stretching my pecs first, and you can go either side. You can start from your left or you can start from your right side. I'm gonna start with my left pec, put it against the wall, and I'm gonna use my left leg as a driver to increase that stretch. And then go the other side, do the same thing. Now let's stretch our lats using the ball. And this is one of my favorite stretches. First, you put your both hands on the ball, and then you sit against your heel, elbows inward, and then when your left hand on the floor, and then you use your other hand to drive the ball. And if my left hand is on the floor, you drive with your right hand to the left, and you'll feel the stretch in your right leg. Same thing you do on the opposite side. Put your hands on the floor, right hand on the floor, left on the ball, elbows in, and you drive. toward your right hand. Now we do a kneeling thoracic spine. It's an amazing stretch. Make sure your elbows elevated on the surface. Put your head all the way down. You should feel the stretch. Relax.
Mobility exercises, it's going to be the open book foam roll. So it's like a foam roller. You lay on your side, your bottom leg is going to be straight out, your top leg, you're coming to 90 degrees of hip flexion. This allows for your hips not to rotate. You're going to normal open book position. You'll start here, and then you will open up, track with your head, all the way open, keeping your leg on the foam roller, and coming all the way back. Get in this position right here. You're going to arch your back as far forward, and then drop it down as far as you can this way. You're going to repeat that nice and slow, all the way to the top, come down, all the way to the bottom, putting that thoracic spine through flexion and extension. You're going to repeat this 10 to 15 times like this. You're going to bring your arms out back here, externally rotate them to protect that shoulder joint. Now bear with me, my thoracic mobility is not completely there. You're going to come up. You're going to rotate outward, bringing this all the way across. You're going to open up, coming back. And then back down. This exercise is a combo of an open book and thread the needle. This is going to be a strengthening exercise for the thoracic spine. You're going to take a band or a TheraBand. You're going to come in that figure 4 position. You're going to start here, let it come through and pull you. You're going to come all the way back up, rotate, and then back down. You repeat this 10 to 12 times on each side.